is this? And why it comes with extra tissue packs?
It is a handmade product, a tissue holder for busy moms and kids.
It comes with 3 different attachments, all removable, and one beautiful lucky charm. You can hang it directly on the clothes, backpacks, and diaper bags. It is very tiny and fits onto the palm of the hand.
It is made of water-resistant material and is feather lightweight.
To open, just pull the snap button.
To use the tissues, open the packet with a scissor by cutting it from the sides, like I am doing. But careful, do not cut the tissues.
It is available on Amazon, and link is in my bio. It is a best product if your kids are going through allergies and need a tissue all the time. Just hang it on their clothes when they go to school, park, or anywhere outside the house to clean up their runny nose and messy hands. It keeps your loved ones clean and hygienic even when they are away from you.
Awesome job! You got it! And it is ready. Now hang the tissues for ready to use and don't stuff it inside the bags with million other things.